I think we should taste it and see whether it's as
I
good as
get
this
pass
book.
marks or not.
You get pass marks on it.
Done.
Yeah? Come, let's try some of this. This is a chicken biryani that he's made
But made it in 35 minutes.
in 35 minutes. It's his own recipe or a recipe that is
It's a mishmash.
mishmash from the places.
I mean, I have no recipe which is my
As
own.
long as it tastes good.
As long as it tastes good. That's it.
I tried a little bit, it tasted pretty good. And this is a chicken masala, the first recipe in the book and the first dish that he's ever made. Okay?
Excellent. I'm going to start with biryani.
Let me serve you some. Come on. And Boria says that you must eat a little egg with it
Because it's Kolkata biryani.
because it's a Kolkata biryani. Yeah?
Kolkata biryani also has potatoes, right?
Yeah, but I didn't see.
You caught him. You have caught him out.
I'm half Kolkatan. See, he's adopted Bengali, but I'm not adopted half whatever Maharashtra.
Yeah. No, I'm impressed because Sachin is not only do you like to eat food, you know a hell of a lot
He
about food.
feeds,
Huh?
you know, last time he was in Kolkata, we had a meal which we started at 6:30 and we were talking. And the food that we tried several dishes. He actually knows. That's why when I was thinking who launches this book, it was not because he's my icon or my singular idol or anything. It's also because he's the greatest foodie I've come across. So that's why this is for him.
So finally I can say there is something I have in common with Sachin Tendulkar. Nothing else, so only this and a little bit of chicken. Come on. Boria, will you try some?
I'll give you rather than me
I
trying.
also need to try some. Yeah.
And you know, off camera, I'll get Anjali to try as well because I
You
sort of
must, you
almost coerced her into saying she'll try my food. I know she'll not try on camera and say it's bad, but off camera I'll get her to try it.
She'll try it off camera and say it's bad. No, it's good. Okay. Chalo. So here's to Boria and
To many more Sachin hundreds. See the
Absolutely.
physique, the way
Absolutely.
the effort he's putting in, and to several more years of success.
I feel jealous when I see anybody's physique at this point of time. But this is a physique that I've sort of
Foodie.
kamaya hua
You
hai.
can actually say that. Ask him. Pass
It was very nice. I like it. Sachin, what do you think?
I think it has great flavor. I think the onions, the masala, also something which is really important to me is the moistness. It has to be moist.
A biryani has to be moist.
So it has that moistness.
And I'll tell you one thing. He's got the moistness without putting too much oil or ghee into it.
There's no ghee.
Which is an achievement.
Yeah.
Honestly.
Just knowing when to stop cooking is important.
And a little bit of this chicken, which is, according to me, a very homemade sort of.
Everything's homemade.
According to me, being his first dish that he ever made, this is a very good chicken.
Can I please present him this book?
Please present up the book.
This is for you, and as you know, not only as my icon, but as a recipe that he should now again try, maybe one of them.
Fantastic. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
All the
Thanks.
best.
Boria, congratulations to you.
Thank you so much.
Sachin, thank you very much for being
Pleasure.
with us on the
Pleasure.
show.
Thank you.
It was a pleasure.
And keep up the physique for the next 4 months, given what's coming up.
Why 4 months? For a long time ahead. Yeah? Thank you very much. Pleasure.
Pleasure
yeah?
being here. Thank you.
Well, that brings us to the end of this special episode with Boria Mazumdar and Sachin Tendulkar. If you want to write to us at weekend@times.tv. Till the next time, it's bye.